Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is just Julius. Today's video is about ring light unboxing, setup, and review. You know guys, I have wondered how most of these beauty photographs and videos that I have seen lately are well lit and of high quality. Well, I thought that the reason behind this is because they are using very expensive type of camera. Then I realized I was definitely wrong. Most of these photographers and video creators are able to produce these high quality videos and photographs simply because they utilize a piece of unique lighting equipment called the ring light. At dahil YouTuber na ako, bumili ako ng ring light. So I purchased this ring light from Carousel. It's brand new. Though I was looking at Lazada, Wish, Shopee, but I didn't quite like the reviews. So I saw this from Carousel, then the reviews were good, so I purchased it. This is $39, the ring light is $39, then additional $10 for the tripod stand, and additional, I think it's $10 or $15 if you want it delivered on the same day. So I want it so badly, then I got it delivered on the same day. I just want to thank my friends who helped me to get this. Mega shout out, mega shout out Zaira and Faye who helped me to get this from the guard. Kasi yung guard, hindi ko siya mahagila. So, yan. Thank you so much sa inyo. So, ayan. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Ito siya. Hindi siya naka-bubble wrap. Kakatakot. So, meron tayong this one. I think this one is yung sa camera. Gooseneck. Then the camera bracket. And I think this one is for the tripod stand. Mamaya. Then the ring light. Hindi siya naka-bubble wrap, but it's okay. Hindi naman siya siguro basag. Ayan. Ito siya. Kasya sa ulo ko. Charot. Ayan. So, ito yung niya, control. It has the power button. Then, I think this one is the brightness. You can adjust the brightness. Then the mix, I think this one is the mix color, the yellow or the saturation or what. Let's try this. So ito yun. Sasaksak mo lang siya. Saksak natin. So, iwan natin. Wow, ang liwanag. Ang liwanag ng buhay. So, you can adjust the brightness. Yan. O, diba? Lakas makaganda, diba? Then, you try the yellow, or the mixed color. Yan. Warm color. Diba? Maganda siya. Maganda. Kaya pala, di ba, magaganda yung mga nila, mga kuha ng video pag nagla-livestream. Ito pala yung gamit yung ring light. O, di ba? Ayan. Sige, assemble natin yung yung gooseneck. Dito siya. Meron siyang, ano dyan, lalagyan. So, lagay mo lang dito. Yata. Tama ba yung ginagawa? Wala mo siyang manual, pero okay lang. So, yan. Tapos, you put the camera bracket on top of it. Parang, ano ba to? Ganyan siya. Ganyan. Kasi pasok mo lang yan. Ganyan mo. Yan. Dito yung camera ilalagay. Yan. Tapos, pwede mo siyang ganyan, ma-adjust. So, pag nagla-live ka, ganun. Tsaka, diba ang ganda? Ganda pala to. Tapos, itong tawag dito to. Ito yung ito-connect mo sa tripod stand. Rotating, whatever. Ma-adjust mo siya. Rotating egg. Rotating egg. So, let's open the tripod stand. Ito siya. It's 2 meters. Ang haba nyo, 2 meters mo siya. O, diba? 2 meters na tripod stand. Ang bongga naman. Bongga siya. So, ganito lang. Adjust natin. Pero na kasi akong tripod before, so parang medyo alam ko na siya. Tsaka, medyo alam na. Yan. O, diba? Ang haba. 2 meters siya, guys. So, ito, meron din siyang isa pang adjust. So, talagang mahaba siya. Gamitin lang natin para makita nyo. Tapos, ito. Ayan. Diba? Diba ang bongga? Tapos, i-adjust natin yung rotating charot. Ano? Yung rotating, tawag dito. Ito. Dito mo. Ito kasi, pwede mo siyang ma-adjust. Para pwede mo siyang pwede mo siyang ma-adjust yung ring light. Dapat nakalock siya. Lagay na natin yung ring light. O, diba? Ano ba? Ayan na siya. Ayan na siya. Tapos lagay mo lang. Siyempre hindi ko malagay yung phone ko kasi yung video ko. Lagay mo lang yung phone mo dito. Tapos, there you go. You're set for your live stream or photo shoot or makeup or whatever. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda, diba? So, ayan na guys. Ang may advice ko lang is, if you buy it online, you have to check for the reviews, kung magaganda ba yung reviews, and also double check for warranties offered. Because warranty vary from retailer to retailer. And as a rule of thumb, you would need at least 10 months for a purchase warranty. Yun ang pag bumibili ako online, yung warranty talaga tinitingnan ko. Ayan guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you so much guys. Bye-bye.